So I'm under here with this Audi S5 and its custom exhaust. As you can see, it's pretty OEM. They do this on purpose just because it's easier for the exhaust to go from there to here. And they make these little lines right here, kind of like engine fins, you know, like on small engines. Usually these racing stripes on the driveline are there just to help it go a little bit faster. If you go down here, you see how it has all these little turbo whistles. Makes it pretty nice. They cut out all of this to help it get a little bit like less weight. And then you just got more turbo whistles and weight reduction stuff. It's really nice, honestly. I mean, it comes like this OEM, so you just kind of got to deal with it. But that's why these have so much power.